Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video, as promised, because I just filmed this Get Ready With Me, if you haven't watched that video, then the link will be in the description box below, and if not, it's on my channel somewhere. Just go. It's this look right here. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a tour of my beauty room slash studio. So if you guys are interested and would like to see my new space, then please stay tuned, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so right when you come in, you have this butterfly mirror, hello, and you have these like little attachments it came with. This came from my godmom, so thank you for that. And then right on the door, I have this full body mirror. This mirror came from IKEA, as well as most of my furniture. And then this is a quick overview of what the room looks like. So I'm gonna start on the left side. This is my vanity. The mirror and the stand part all came from Impressions Vanity. And this is actually a birthday gift. I am obsessed with this mirror, because it has, this is all like touch screen, and it has Bluetooth. It has, let me show you actually. When you turn it on, it tells you the temperature, so it's 71. And it tells you the date and time. So yes, this video is pre-recorded. You have Bluetooth, and here on this side, you can see it has the speakers, and it also has 2 outlets. So it's pretty freaking dope. It also comes with this magnifying mirror. Oh wait, you can't see me. Oh, here I am. Which is super dope when I'm doing my makeup. It helps me actually like get a better look. This desk is from IKEA, like the tabletop and the Alex drawers are all from IKEA. I'm thinking about putting Alex drawers here as well, but for now, I don't need that much storage. Right now, this does me justice. This chair is also from IKEA. It's really simple, really cute. Yeah. Then when you get to this corner, I have my bookshelf. So these are all my books, and on the top here I have some of my godfather's like his trophy and stuff like that, as well as some crystals, because I love crystals. And there is my plaque and medals that I got in school. And back here I have my lights, and I have my yoga mats and my yoga blocks. And then back there I also have all of my filming things that I need to film. I'm still working on what to put on this wall. Haven't figured it out yet. But over here I have Ari. You guys know her. You guys have seen her before. But look at her. She is flourishing over here, okay? This is her corner. And this is my little puppy that my mom actually got me for Valentine's Day last year. So he's keeping, or she, I forgot, I don't think I named it yet, but it's keeping Ari company. That's what's important. Okay, moving on. I got this plant, you guessed it, from IKEA. And this is actually a real plant. It's alive, it's living. And then I have this, I think you call this a monogram. And you guys have seen, I promoted the guy who made this for me. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but this one was super dope because it has all the makeup brushes and everything, as well as my name. So back there is just whatever stuff. I just have like a bag that has my other like smaller bags with my my makeup bags and stuff. And then here I have 2 really wide Alex drawers that have all my makeup in it actually. Let me go back over here. So over here, I don't have my makeup in here. I just have my like journal, planner, and a book that I'm currently reading, along with some lip balm, and I think this has like some crystals in it as well, and my hard drives are back there. And then here is my jewelry. However, I'm gonna move it from there, so I will show you guys when I get my organizers for that, but I'm actually gonna move that to a bigger drawer. This drawer is miscellaneous, so it's a bunch of random stuff. I'm not even gonna go into detail with that. This is my nail drawer, so I have all of my press-ons and nail polishes, and then this is also kind of like miscellaneous, but it has a bunch of my journals and my older laptop. Now back to here. So on top of this, I have my skincare refrigerator, and you guys have seen I also promoted this. This is from Cool Lily, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I actually wrote this a long time ago, so that's why it's like faded out, but it says make each day fruitful. So the cover of this is a dry erase board, which I thought was super dope. And then on here, I have my makeup brushes, which I have a bunch of makeup brushes. I just washed most of them yesterday, so that's why these are still out here. They do fit inside of these containers, but they're still a little bit damp, so I just let them like chill on their side, because if you like put it standing up like this, the water's gonna travel down and that messes up your makeup brushes, FYI. And these are all of my perfumes. This is not all of my perfumes, but these are the perfumes that I have here. Of course, I have my Ari right in the front, and then a couple of other perfumes. And that is an old bottle of Witch Hazel, which is almost done, which is why it's back here. I have the new one in my skincare fridge. So this is all my skincare. It's nice and chilly in here, and it's dope because I love massaging my face with these when it's cold. Oh my god, it feels so good. But yeah, this is my skincare fridge or whatever. This is my makeup collection. If you guys want a makeup collection video, then let me know, but briefly, this is my foundation concealer drawer. This is my brow / primer setting spray makeup white drawer. This is my lashes, mascara, liner, all of that drawer. This is my highlighter and bronzer drawer. These are my lipsticks, which I have too much of, but I'm so grateful for it. And these are my shadows, my palettes and my shadows, my single shadows. And then here are my glasses. So I have some shades and some reading glasses or blue light glasses, whatever you call it. And then here I have my MAC lipsticks and liners and stuff. And then the next couple of drawers are empty, and this bottom drawer has like my art creative kind of things in there. Over on the right side of that, I have some shelves, and as you can see at the top, I have all of my bags. And then these shelves all kind of have like their own little like personality, their little worlds going on. So this one is just really cute. This is my perfume. This was my godfather's, and this K-Box, I had it for a long time. I think my boyfriend gave it to me for my birthday like years ago. There's my Monarch, and these name things came from my friend's wedding that we went to last year. Here I have a regular like Fendi shoes, and then that purse came from, I think It Cosmetics sent me that. And then here I have Clico. That bottle, actually It Cosmetics sent it to me last year for my birthday. And then these are some booties here. And then down here I have a insert that I have this is all of my hair stuff. So blow dryer, hair towel, diffusers, all that good stuff. And here I have some It Cosmetics lipsticks. I forgot what collection this is. I think it's called like Pillow. Don't quote me, I can't remember. But I have that in there. I have this little world over here going on. Then I have this going on. I really can't even explain it to you. It's just like each shelf has like their own kind of thing going on. You know I had to have a warrior shelf in here. I have Cousins bobblehead from when I went to their game in Oracle, but if somebody wants to trade me Stephen Curry or Klay Thompson or Draymond, I'm all for it. Just hit me up and I could trade it for another one. But anyways, I had to have Warriors in there. These are some shoes and my Ariana Cloud. Bang. Oh, down here I have some drawers. They're all miscellaneous kind of drawers. There's nothing really to them. This is a little rug from IKEA as well. My Balenci's that I love so much. And here is some more shelves of just kind of Ari again right here. And then this insert has like my workout stuff. So like my leggings and all that good stuff. And then, so in the back of my shelves, I actually have some LED lights that I also got from IKEA. It is only in the center, as you guys can see, but I thought it was a really nice touch to add to the back of the shelves. And they actually change different colors, but I prefer to keep it on blue because that's my favorite color, and it also just adds the best touch in my opinion. Super dope. Oh, by the way, these shelves are custom, and what I mean by custom is that they don't actually sell them in black and white like this. They'll sell them like fully one white and then the other one is black, but we actually built it so it could look black and white since we got both of them at the same time, and that's how I kind of customized it to my own liking and to kind of match the theme of the room, which is, as you can see, is like a black, white, and gray kind of theme. Then that is pretty much it. So that's what those wires are here. And then over here there's nothing. Here's some bags. And then in here is my closet, which you can get a brief look at. Nothing really crazy, it's just my clothes. And at the bottom, I have some of my shoes. And then we're back at the beginning of the room. That's the opening door. And then right here to my right is a bathroom. So this is just a quick overview of the bathroom. It's just a regular bathroom with a shower and stuff. And hi, here I am. Hello, hola, hola. Okay, that is my beauty room. If you guys want like the direct links to all of my furniture from IKEA and stuff, let me know in the comments down below. But really quick, it's just Alex drawers, and these shelves are actually called the Kallax drawers. Kallax. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my new beauty room slash studio. I am actually really excited, as I said in my last Get Ready With Me. I'm really excited to create the content that I've been wanting to create forever. I've dreamed of having a beauty room like this. Finally got it. It took some time, but I finally got my own little space that I can be a full creative in. So I am just so grateful and excited, and I really owe it to you guys for supporting me for as long as you have. But yeah, if you guys want a more in-depth video of like my makeup collection and the final look of everything, then let me know in the comments down below as well, because I am going to customize and change things around as time goes on. I just now settled into this space, so everything is still really fresh and I haven't figured out what I like, but I really like the way it's set up right now. So it might be like this for quite some time. But anyways, I'm really excited to have shared that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!